Hi, it's Rhiannon from the Epsom Bakehouse. You've caught me with my hands all covered in sticky dough. I'm making some bread because it's part of Real Bread Week this week. That's making great and enjoying great bread made just with flour, water, salt and yeast. And if you've been following, I've been sharing each day this week some top tips on making great bread at home. If you've been baking, do let me know in the comments. I do love to hear about what you make, or if you've got any questions, do let me know in the comments as well. The one tip I want to share this week is how do you know when you've kneaded long enough, or indeed how long should you knead bread dough for? A lot of recipes will say something like knead for 10 minutes, or they might say knead until it's smooth and elastic. And sometimes it's hard to judge, especially the knead for 10 minutes. You don't know how quickly or slowly, or if whether that person's used a machine or we hand kneading. I'm going to teach you a quick tip that you can use to judge whether your dough is kneaded enough. But first I need to get on with kneading my dough. So there's one great test that you can do to see if your dough has been kneaded enough, and that is take off a little bit, it's about golf ball sized, and just tease it apart. And look, eventually you should be able to stretch your dough thin enough to see the light through it. But that nice milky grey thin dough is what you're aiming for if you've kneaded enough, and that is something called the window pane test. So that's been my top bread making tip for today. If you've enjoyed them all and you want to sign up for more, you can sign up to my regular newsletter with the link in the comments below. And also if you've got any bread making questions, just let me know in the comments below too. And if you do sign up to my newsletter, you'll be first to hear about my big announcement, an exciting announcement at the end of Real Bread Week this week. Otherwise, I hope you've enjoyed the rest of these bread making tips. Do watch back through the other videos if you haven't seen them already, and enjoy baking great bread at home, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Cheers, bye.